I'm in a canyon south of Escalante at Cedar Wash Arch. This arch is in the Entrada Formation. Cedar Wash Arch is what many people would call just a window. It's either a freestanding arch or you could call it a jug handle arch like this, which is Cliff Arch down in Coyote Gulch. You notice how the arch span is set at about a 45-degree angle. Here you're looking directly up into a couple of big pothole arches. These are the world-famous Golden Cathedral arches in Neon Canyon. This is Stevens Arch, one of the biggest in Utah. It's 225 feet across, and you can see from these two pictures the way it's developed right through a major fin, so it's a freestanding arch. We're closing in on Shakespeare Bridge, and here you can see that this thing formed by water flowing down from up above. At one time you could have called it a natural bridge or a pothole arch. Now most people would call this a freestanding arch because it's separated so well from the cliff. Now this, on the other hand, is an arch down in 50 Mile Canyon. It's a big cliff wall arch. You can see the way it's developed right at the top of the cliff, the light openings behind the arch. And this one is really interesting because it happens to have an incredible rock art panel down below at the base of it. One of the best examples of a natural bridge is Covered Wagon Natural Bridge south of Escalante, and you can see it has an active stream course below it. It was the flowing water that formed this arch. If you're wandering in one of the canyons and you see an alcove like this that you think might be an arch, you can walk up into it, as on this next picture, and you can see whether there's light coming down through the back of it. There isn't in this case, so not an arch. Now if there is light coming through it, now you do have an arch. The first thing to do is get a GPS fix or some accurate way of telling exactly where the arch is. Now take a photo, measure the size of the arch, and now to report it so that people will know about your discovery, look up the Natural Arch and Bridge Society online and ask them how to get it into the World Arch Database.